Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram. Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram. Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram. Obscure emotions to make influence not about sentiment. Pre-dawn dreams are more auspicious. Beware of implied inclusions in agreements. Now they're in the fine print, right? Consciousness can be bypassed to facilitate understanding. Flags can be to identify your true order and the mere social ones. Some places will separate us from human consciousness. Just rulers are to facilitate all order: economic, social, safety, religious, for their people. Honor even wicked parents and family. You know, honor is not the same thing as obedience, right? There's no obedience in what is wrong. Scripture surpasses other commands. People should seek the advice of sages. We must earn our own merit. We should deal with the interference with acts of worship. Don't fear distraction. Falsehood is combated by renunciation. Lust is combated by fidelity. Violence is combated by regard for others. Signs may appear that things will be different. It is not just that we should avoid doing some things, but we may fall for what we don't do. Passions need to go beyond what is said about the heredity and nationality. Explore the cost and rewards of decisions. Rakshasas, guardians, are limited in who they can control. So don't worry about these movies and their ideas of possession and stuff, right? Shri Ram Jai Ram Jai Jai Ram. 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 Resplendent is the god of sound and ever, ever victorious.